What's going on, guys? This is Jay Dickerson again, coming back at you at Fishing in Your Hood. Today we're at Collins Hill Park. And it just finished raining, as you can see, man. The conditions are very bad today. But we're going to just try to go do some top water fishing. We're going a top water only challenge today, okay? And we're going to throw a few top water baits. It just finished raining. We're going to see what we get. Peace. All right, guys, we're just getting down to the lake. Everybody says that it's best to fish right after it rains or even before it rains. Not really sure about that, but hopefully we'll get on a top water bite today. And as you can see, the water again is very murky, very cloudy. Like I said, this is Collins Hill Park, everybody. And it's a very residential park, so it's very highly pressured. So I'm gonna start off today. I'm gonna throw this top water Sammy right here. We're gonna do a technique called walking the dog. See what that happens. First few casts. Usually I don't do that. I usually start off at the bank. But there's nothing but grass at this bank. And what you do is make your rod tip hit the ground like you're beating a drum as you turn your reel at one time and make your rod tap down like you're beating a drum, and then make the bait have a walking back and forth action, if you can see that. Got a ribbit frog too I'm gonna throw. But this is a very highly pressured lake, man. Everybody's here on the weekend. A lot of trash. That's one thing about using a treble bait. You always catch leaves and stuff on your hooks. So I may switch up to a buzz bait, either black or something. I like walking the dog. And as I said, sometimes they will smash this thing. Just give it a side to side motion. Get to the grass and I just lift it up. Reel it in fast. Good cast out. I let the ripples go down. Let them settle down. Then I start my retrieve. Depending on the fish is whether you would do it faster or slower. I'm just making this bait walk back and forth. See, every time I catch a leaf. So I may have to go to a buzz bait and try this again. Go by this log right here. May have to switch up to a buzz bait. Let the ripples roll down and tap, 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 tap. And the bait will have a back and forth walking motion. Until it gets a leaf on it. Let my ripples die. Tap, 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 tap. And as I'm doing that, I'm reeling my reel in at the same time. Let's go, y'all. First fish. Let's get it. On the ribbit frog. Let's go, nice chunk. I had to switch up to a worm. That was biting on the top. Well, we got us a nice one here, boy. It's a nice 2.5, 2-pounder. Good way to start off the evening. Let's get a little release on her. And she don't want to go. There you go, girl. Throwing a weightless Cinco around this drain right here. Hopefully I get one more bite. I gotta get ready to go. I spent an hour, I only got one fish. Wasn't hitting top water. I don't know. Seemed like the conditions would be perfect for top water. But I can only get one bite off of this worm, and it was about 2.5 pounds. So I don't know. Y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get on some more fish, but they're gonna get ready to put me out of here. So this is Jay Dickerson. I'm fishing in your hood, and we'll catch a few next time. Peace.